tied it to the incident right here, and that's a knowledge article is already created for you. You can go ahead and make any adjustment to it. Right. Hey everybody, welcome to the ServiceNow Star. On today's session, we'll gonna explore one of the most transformative innovations in the ServiceNow ecosystem. AI-powered workflows, specifically focusing on the Now Assist AI agents within the ServiceNow. As organizations continue to scale, the demand is no longer just automation. It's intelligent automations. We are moving from a workflow that execute tasks to workflows that think and assist and act. This is where the Now Assist comes in. Now, what is Now Assist? Some of you may not know what Now Assist, or you may know it already by now, but what I will go ahead and explain for you what a Now Assist is. Now Assist is ServiceNow generative AI powered assistant embedded directly into the platform. Okay, it's already embedded into the platform. Now, think of it as a context-aware AI co-pilot that enhances productivity across multiple workflows: IT, security, HR, customer service, and more. At its core, Now Assist leverage a large language model. Okay, understanding a natural language and general human-like response, and also summarizing complex data and automate these content creations. These are all the powerful characteristics of the ServiceNow Now Assist, because it's used LLM, which is a large language model. But what makes Now Assist really powerful is not just the AI. It's the AI grounded in its enterprise data. Let me explain this one. Unlike generative AI tools, the Now Assist operates within the ServiceNow data model, meaning this means it understands your incident, your task, your CMDB relationships, and everything, okay? When you get your summarization and answer, your search or create or workflow, all these come under your incident, task, CMDB relationship. It also respects your roles and also access control. It also provides you a context-aware and a secure response. So instead of this generative answer, you get an enterprise relevant intelligence. That's what really the Now Assist really stand for. Now, let me go ahead and explain to you the key capabilities of Now Assist. We're going to break this down into some of the core capabilities that make the Now Assist really impactful. The first one is the content generation, okay? Help you to create a content. Now, when you talk about the content, Now Assist can help you generate an incident summarization, okay? What we call it summarization right here, okay? Not only that, help you to draft a knowledge article, help you to create a case notes. The Now Assist can also help you suggest resolution. As an example, if you have a security analyst investigating an incident, can click summarize and also instantly get a clean and structured summary of all the activities that you have. Not only that, with the Now Assist, it's gonna be like a conversational assist, okay? Conversational assist. So let me take you to here. Now, if you go to the workspace right here, service operation workspace, and then from there, you'll go ahead and open the incidents, for example. So then from there, we can open one of existing incidents. Okay, let's click here on the task, right? The list task, and then from there, we'll go ahead and open incidents, and then from there, I'll show you how the Now Assist can help you summarize and all of that. Because if you go ahead and do this one via an agent, it's gonna take them time to read through the incidents, okay, and then propose or understand what that incident really means. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and open the incident that's work in progress, and then from this, you can use the Now Assist to go ahead and generate. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So we got right here, and then from there, right? So you have the Now Assist button right here. For example, generate the sentiment. So when you see these sparkly buttons over there, okay, that can give you that. Now, let's say if you go ahead and resolve, for example, resolve right here. So by clicking resolve, this will try to go ahead and resolve the solution provided. And now under here, right, you see that sparkly button. Now Assist can generate a resolution note for you. I'll go ahead and click this one, So automatically create a resolution for me, understanding the case, right? This incident, what was the issue, and what can be provided. Now, root cause analysis not available, resolution steps not available because this incident doesn't have all the details because of that. But if it has, you can go ahead and insert this one. So this is not a good example of incident. So let's go ahead and pick another incident actually. So let's see another incident. Okay, by this one is by Abel Tutor. So we'll go ahead and open it. Now, if you go ahead and resolve, now go ahead and put that resolved by solution provided. And now as you click on the resolution note, you'll have this sparkly. And then now you can use Now Assist to generate a resolution note. Now what it's going to do is the Now Assist will understand this, will give you the root cause right here. A role issue was identified in the logs causing the clustering job to timeout. Here are the resolution steps. So the agent doesn't have to go through and understand this. Addressing the role issue indicate in the log to resolve the timeout during clustering job execution. If I'm agree with it, I'll go ahead and insert. Now you can see that the resolution notes automatically inserted. I'll go ahead and click resolve, and this incident will be automatically resolved for me. Okay, so that's how powerful the Now Assist in ServiceNow is. Help you to summarize incidents or draft a response to this customer. They've really reduced the friction and also the speed of decision making. Not only that, this Now Assist help you in a contextual aware intelligence, which means Now Assist help you understand the record you are on, the workflow you are on, or the historic data. So help you to response are not generic. You don't get a generic response, but they are tailored to the exact situations and also the exact incidents or problems or changes that you have. Now, we talk about productivity. It's really accelerate the productivity for you by eliminating these manual tasks like writing updates, reviewing logs, or creating reports. All that can be done using Now Assist. So Now Assist allow your team to focus on higher value work like analysis or decision making and so on. Now, if you think of about this Now Assist across this different workflow, it's not really limited to one module. It's embedded across the platform within the ServiceNow. So think of that, the security operation, the SecOps, help you summarize the security incidents, suggest remediation steps, even help you analyze a triage faster. So another important part is IT service management, we call it ITSM. On that, you have the auto-generate incident resolution, what I exactly show you right here. So under your incidents, okay, focus up here. So under your incident, right, what we already resolved the incidents, and also, not only that, if you click over here, actually, you can even create a knowledge right here, create a change. Okay, if you go there, create knowledge. So if you click create knowledge, what I can do right here is I'm just going to go ahead and select the knowledge based IT, and I'm going to be standard. And then also this is the format or the article template. Then I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then from there, I can use Now Assist to generate a knowledge article for me. Now think of it right here. Use an AI to draft this article. Okay, yes, go ahead and draft with Now Assist. And Now Assist is going to take, understand the incidents, already propose a solution, and so on. Based on that, it will create for you a knowledge article. A draft one is automatically tied to the incident right here. And that's a knowledge article is already created for you. You can go ahead and make any adjustment to it right here. The knowledge base, okay, so in a draft state, and also short description, the source, all that. So what you can do is you can go ahead and add the date to publish. And from there, you can go ahead and save it, okay? That's how the Now Assist really help you in achieving this knowledge article in a very short and fast way. Security operations, summarizing a security incidents, adjusting remediation steps, helping analysis and triage faster. IT service management like ITSM, auto-generate the incident resolutions, adjusting a knowledge article where you exactly did, helping analyze your triage faster. And ITSM help you to auto-generate incident resolution. We exactly did, and also suggesting a knowledge articles and also improving agent response time. What about in HR service delivery? Help you draft employee response, automate case communication. What about in CSM? Yes, Now Assist can help you generate a customer replies. Not only that, help you to summarize a case interaction. Now, the key takeaway here is Now Assist is a platform-wide intelligence, not just a siloed feature specific to ITSM or SPM and so on and so on. So it's a platform-wide. Now, if you think of these AI agent is another powerful feature that we have. Now the AI agent, it's now when we take a look at or switch gear to the AI agent, if now assist is a co-pilot, right? Then AI agents these are an autonomous operators. The AI agents in ServiceNow, they are designed to perform specific tasks independently for you. Okay, and they make you decisions based on a logic and also data, and they execute workflows with a minimal human intervention. They combine this generative AI, which is a Now Assist feature, and also the workflow automation and the decision intelligence. Okay, all that's come together in one place. Think of it like an AI agent as a digital worker that doesn't just assist but also act. They can act directly. So in your instance, you can go ahead and from all right here, you can go ahead and type AI agents. Okay, as you go AI agents, so you can go ahead and click the overview. That's going to bring you to the AI agent studio, where we can go ahead and build or also leverage, yes, this AI agent studio that can help you build whatever you need to build on when it comes to the AI agent. So the AI agent is a digital worker. What is it? It's a digital worker that doesn't just assist but also act. So with an AI agent, it also contains its own Now Assist feature. So it's like an agent, think of it, specialized on performing a certain task. Now, when you compare the Now Assist with AI agent, let me just break down that for you quickly. Okay, the Now Assist it's assisting users, help the users to assist. Now Assist, even the name tell you, assistant. Okay, Now Assist. And also Now Assist generate content for you, human in the loop. You are adding the human in the loop in the Now Assist. And also it's a reactive. Okay, you touch it, it's going to be reactive. When it comes to AI agents, it's a proactively do tasks for you. It's act autonomously and execute workflow for you, the AI agent, and also produce human dependence. It's reduce human dependency. Absolutely, because it's a proactive technology. Now, if you put this together, they create a powerful model in ServiceNow. Now, with assisting help the human worker smarter, and also the AI agents help system work independently. Now, to wrap it up, in part one here, talked about the Now Assist bring you the generative AI directly into the workflow. It enhances productivity, accuracy, and also the user experience. And the AI agent on the other side extended this by enabling the autonomous execution. So, in this video, we have covered in deeper the architecture, use case, and also how to implement Now Assist effectively. So we'll see on the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the ServiceNow Store YouTube channel. That pretty much covers for the day. We'll be back on another session. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.